Hey, this is Sean with Fountainhead Mechanical. I am here today at an apartment building downtown, one of our high-rise locations. And today I'm going to go over the basics of magnetic filtration and Micron filtration within the heating system. A filter is used in the heating system to clean out particulates that get built up when the system is circulating and moving around. The magnetic filter is what picks up any iron or magnetic material. And then it goes into the Micron filter, which picks up pretty much any leftover particulates. First thing you might be curious about is how a magnet filter works. First off, the heating system water will get pumped into the top of the filter here, where the fluid will go through the canister, and basically inside the canister there's just a stem. It's a very long magnet that will pick up any sort of iron buildup, any sort of sludge, anything magnetic basically, which we don't want in our fluid. After the magnet filter, it will go into the Micron filter. The Micron filter looks a lot like this. It's a wound filter that basically all the fluid will go through the filter and then back up. It picks up pretty much anything that's not magnetic in the system. So whatever this guy doesn't pick up, the Micron will pick up too. A question we get asked a lot is whether or not we can install both the magnet filter and the Micron filter together. That is actually the recommended way that we complete it. It helps when they work together because anything that the magnet can't pick up, the Micron will, which helps with keeping your Micron filter a lot cleaner for a little bit longer. You might not need to replace it quite as much. We still recommend at least checking it every 3 months, just to be sure that it's not picking up anything extra, nothing got built up. When we do the checks is when we actually take a look at the filter, see how built up it is, if it needs to be replaced. It's usually once it starts to get a little bit brown or black. Something a lot of people don't know about the water filtration and the heating system is the water just recycles over and over again. It's not a constant source of fresh water getting put into the system. It's very important to make sure that we're removing all the particulates, all of the sludge, just because it builds up more and more over time, every time it does that recycle. If you find that your filter is not quite looking exactly like the one we're showing here, it could be longer, it could be wider, kind of sitting by the floor. It's usually a different design of the exact same thing. So the greatest benefit of having a filtration system on your heating system is it prevents all of that buildup from plugging up lines. What happens in a heating system is water doesn't get supplied to it very often. It's just circulating all the time, and therefore eventually it becomes like stagnant, it starts picking up things. This is what's going to take it out for you.